2 days earlier, Old Man Winter had dumped 2 feet of wet snow on 2-lane Rambler Road, leaving icy ruts that made driving a challenge for trucker John Doe. Driving his salt spray-covered tractor slowly and cautiously, Doe witnessed the rapid approach of an elderly dump truck in the opposing traffic lane and, uh-oh! Straight dump had hit a deep rut and was skidding on a collision course with Doe's rig. Reacting instantly, Doe spun his steering wheel hard right, causing his tractor-trailer to swing off the road and gently impact a snowbank, thereby mangling the right side of his bumper. With vast relief, Doe watched as the out-of-control dump slid gracefully past. Aside from the bumper, Doe's rig was unscathed. He regained his composure, pulled back onto the road, and continued his run. Later, Doe contested being charged with a preventable accident by his safety director. Asked to render a final decision, the National Safety Council's Accident Review Committee ruled in Doe's favor. NSC said he avoided a collision by moving to the right, which was his only option.